hi.
Hi.
Why are we sitting here?
I don't know.
What did mommy tell you?
You didn't tell me anything.
What did I tell you I had for you?
A surprise.
A surprise.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
It looks like an egg.
You know what it is, Ava? You know what it is? You don't know? No. It's a different baby. Whose baby is it? No. Ava. That's mommy and daddy's baby. He's in mommy's belly right now. You guys are gonna have another baby brother or baby sister.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You look like you're gonna cry.
That was a surprise.
Yeah. Can I see the picture? It shows a real bean. It looks like a caterpillar, doesn't it?
That looks like an egg.
Are you excited, Ava?
Yeah. I hope it's gonna be a brother.
You guys are so cute.